Welcome back to another Perler Bead tutorial where I'll be showing you how to make this Minecraft killer bunny. I've thought that it would be a good idea to be making a series of Perler Beads from Minecraft because I have noticed that many of you did watch and liked the Minecraft wolf video. So I'll be making a small playlist where I'll be showing you how to make these different mobs from Minecraft, and hopefully next time I'll be able to make an iron golem and I'm pretty sure it's an Enderman from Minecraft. But anyways, let's get started with the build. Here are all the pieces that we're going to be needing for the assembly of our little killer bunny. So first of all, we're going to need a pair of pliers, and we're going to need a bunch of toothpicks because I decided that I'm just going to be using toothpicks a lot right now because it enables me to make more complex designs. Anyways, here is the holder for the head to connect to the main body. Here are the two inner legs and part of the sides. Here are the legs themselves, the outer parts. Here is the top and the bottom. Here are the hind legs that are going to be, here are going to be the feet like this. And these are the thighs, two of them like this. Here are the ears, the super long, small ears of our bunny. Here are the parts that we're going to be needing to complete the head. And all of these pieces are just connect all of the legs, and here's the tail. But anyways, let's get started. Here are the 9 parts that we're going to be needing to assemble the head of our killer bunny. So first of all, we're going to be taking the face and both of the sides of the head, and we click them in so that the gray line partially is completed on the top. Next, we take this ear holder and we put it in so that this arrow is facing the front. I'm pretty sure the ears are supposed to be at the back. According to this, I'm pretty sure it's Minecraft Gamepedia. But here's the bottom of our head. And here's the back. But if you want to make the bunny sit, don't attach this yet. But if you want to make it look downwards, then you're supposed to attach it. I'm just going to attach it for now, and I'll be showing you how to remove it at the end for the bunny to look straight forward. Next, we attach the nose, as you can see. And finally, we need to attach both of the ears, making sure that this pink part is facing outwards, like this. Now the head of our bunny is finished. For the second step of our Minecraft bunny, we're going to be assembling the legs and the body. So we take this part with the triple bead at the front, and we take one of these legs. As you can see, this part, the legs, is supposed to be at the front. So we take it and we slap it in like this, and then we take the other side leg and we repeat the process. Next, we flip our model over and we take the remaining piece and put it in. Like so. Next, we take the front, and this is going to be holding our head in place, and we stick it in so that it clicks. And we finally, for the last step, we click in the back plate, and now our body is finished. Now I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the head. Oops, kind of pushed the nose in. Okay, so I'm just going to put the nose out because I accidentally pushed it in. So you can, first of all, you can just put it in like this, but keep in mind that your bunny is going to be facing downwards. So another way so that it doesn't face downwards is I just take off this piece. It doesn't matter if the ears fall. And you take a skewer, and then you put it through one of the holes at the bottom. I'm just gonna make sure that it's in the right direction by putting it in and not flipping it over. I just take it out, and I know that this is the bottom. So I take it, put it here, and put the skewers through this hole. Oh, wrong skewer. I'm gonna put the skewer through this hole and the opposite hole on the other side. My thing kind of fell out. So right here, and also while I'm kind of struggling, I just woke up this morning and I was just thinking about what should I do, and I actually need kind of your help from comments, because I do sometimes don't know what to do for my videos, because for some reason I'm kind of losing ideas right now. Okay, so I finally put it in, and the front panel is holding it in place. And now we can slap in the head, and now is our head. We put in the ears. Now our head is in good shape. So here are the last pieces that we're gonna need to complete our killer bunny. So as you can see, keep in mind that these 4 pieces have a bend in them. I cut it right here. So these long pieces, it has a 5 bead line and cut, and then 7 beads. Same thing for this piece. And here we have to cut a 2x3 partially so that it bends, and the same thing over here. Make sure not to mess this up, or else it can ruin the whole build. So firstly, I'm going to be starting from the front legs. So take both of these parts and the 4 of the 2 1x2s, and we're going to be needing to put in the front and like so here. Now we take it and we push it in so that it clicks. Don't worry if it falls out, we can just reapply it like so. And then we'll repeat the process on the other side. Also, I like to strengthen everything with these toothpicks because it allows me to do things which I wouldn't usually be able to do. Like for the fighter jet F-15 video, you saw me using those skewers. That was the first time I used it. It was just to strengthen the whole build, because I did notice that Perler beads, in some manners, they don't stick together too well. And here I put the legs in, and I accidentally put the nose in again. For some reason this nose isn't really strong. It's like so. Then I just put the nose back in. And now the bunny is almost finished. Our front legs are finished, but the back isn't. To fully complete the legs, we're going to need to take one of these long pieces and make sure that the short side is facing the bottom, like this. And then we take these short skewers and push them in to this hole and the hole right beside it, like so. Next, we take it and align it with the beads, and we push it through all the way. I'm just going to use the pliers because it just helps me push it in. Same with the other side. Yeah. So here our legs are in, and we have to repeat the process on the other side, like so. So we take it in and place the skewers into this hole and into this hole. We have to make sure that it's properly pushed in. So we're going to take these pliers and push it in all the way. So this one's in. And as you can see, this one kind of sticks out. So I'm just gonna trim it off. Oops, kind of took the whole thing out. Anyways, I'm just gonna put it back in. Make sure that it doesn't appear through the top too much so that our legs have freedom of bending. Next, we're gonna apply the tail. So we place in this part and this square, we put it on top. Now the tail is finished. Now we have to just place the bunny down and reapply the ears if they fell out. And now our bunny is finished. So guys, I hope you nose in. I had to just pull it out. Oh no, this is bad. Okay, so the nose is back in. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And also please comment because it just gives me more ideas of what I should do in the future. But anyways guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to be making an iron golem.